I passed my evaluation using this 90% win rate setup. Let me show you how it works. I call this the TSOB strategy or turtle soup order block. First step mong gagawin is to look for a dealing range. If you don't know what a dealing range is, basically a dealing range is a range that sweeps both sides of liquidity. In this example, we have a bullish dealing range that sweeps sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity. Next step is inside of this dealing range, look for a liquidity and an order block. So as you can see, meron tayong internal range liquidity dito. And then we have this series of down close candles, which is a bullish order block. So now na-identify na natin lahat ng criteria sa setup na to. Next mong gagawin is to enter buy at this bullish order block. And then I will place my stop loss just below this swing low and target this buy side liquidity right here. So now let's play this out. That's how you trade the turtle soup OB strategy. If you want to learn more about this strategy, comment the word TSOB to join the Discord community.